My name is Aisha Kutter. I work at Central Hudson as the Residential Energy Efficiency Program Manager. Central Hudson was founded in the 1900s, and at that time, if you really think about it, electricity was more of a curiosity, whereas today, it's a necessity. The mission of Central Hudson back then was seeing an opportunity to consolidate two separate utilities into one to provide a greater level of service to the customers. And that mission actually still exists today. Our goal at Central Hudson is to provide safe, stable, and reliable electricity to our customers. Central Hudson provides a variety of services, not only supplying electricity to customers throughout the service territory, but also providing energy efficiency incentives and programs to allow customers to actually save money on their electricity. Weatherization is key to any new home construction. The more insulated and the more sealed your home is, the better you will do with saving on your energy bills. So if you can make sure that any new home build has the highest R value that's economically feasible, in addition to making sure your home is sealed as well as possible, building codes right now, you're going to have a pretty efficient house if it's built to code. But if you want to take that extra step, there are simple things you can do, like at the structure itself. Make sure that you allow for even more insulation on your outer walls. So instead of using 2x4 studs, you would go 2x6, and that gives you just a little extra. Some other things that you can do is in your attic. When you have that layer of insulation in your attic, it's a blanket. It's keeping your house warm. Add an extra layer in your insulation in your attic and you're going to be pretty well insulated. For a homeowner who's undertaking a renovation, just make sure you pay attention to some of the little things, such as if you're having new windows put in, make sure that there is insulation and spray foam all around the window itself, and you can actually do an additional measure of caulking around to keep your house well sealed. Those are some little details that a homeowner should really make sure they take into consideration.